All right, everybody, let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, now we have the nation.
Truth. That is so cool. The video game icon, that is so cool.
A gift?
Oh,
Is
what
this
the
a
heck?
body?
What is this gift?
Oh, that's the guy that ratted them out.
Yeah.
That
Why
lied.
was he foaming in his mouth so much too?
No idea. The guy that ruined their drinking experience.
Oh yeah, yep, they did. Maybe the foam had to do something with the ninja. Did something?
Maybe.
Yeah. I love slime because they're so easy on the reactors. It's a good anime. Everything
is.
I love. It's so comfortable when it comes to slime.
Yes.
You don't have to worry about anything.
No stress zone. So now we gotta meet this clan
Yeah.
and this group, the rest of the other people from the Demon Lord.
Yup. Oh, there she is.
I'm surprised we didn't see any cosplayers for
Ooh.
Slime.
Man, how do you cosplay her anyway? Because
Not
you're just
her.
wearing thong.
Rimuru.
Oh.
Human version. Shizu version.
Seriously, why is he foaming so much? Oh, Vesta's gonna stay here to study. But he does love the king so much, though, you know?
He does,
Yeah,
yes.
it's just did stuff in a bad way.
Let's just hope he's not rotten. It doesn't betray him again.
No, I think this time he's really sorry. He's gonna be a pretty good asset to the team, I think.
Okay.
Come on, and you think he's gonna do something after knowing how strong Rimuru is? No way.
I don't know. He could be a spy for the king.
Hey, it's our Sir Gabidu!
Oh, and look, he's trying to come here to live.
Oh my god! Wait, are these guys staying too? Oh yeah, they are staying to gain more experience.
Okay, that was funny.
They seriously have everybody here now.
Yes.
Literally everybody. They're getting names! Oh!
Let's see how much she evolves.
Yeah.
You already have a name.
Whoa, what's that?
What?
Wait, what? What happened?
What did what did he overwrite his name
Oh
with?
my god, he got a new name! From
But what was it?
Slime, but he just overwritten it, so it's from Rimuru's powers now.
Oh.
And they're called Dragon Newts. Oh!
More
Oh! Ninjas!
Yeah. Kijin.
No freaking way.
Ooh.
Holy cow. Wait, Lizardmen!
Wait,
Oh,
what?
no! They were Lizardmen!
What the heck?
What?
But why did Gabiru not change?
He did. Look at him. He has wings.
But not like more human. That's just a weird.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Holy cow.
Oh, they gave him a room for research.
You see, I told you he's going to be a huge asset to the village.
Yeah.
Oh, that. Oi! Oi, oi, he's so small. I could see the crack.
Oh, she's with the Demon Lord.
Yep. Oh, wow. Oh man, this is so funny. Oh, enormous, massive magic power is heading this way, so it's the girl.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa. It's pink. So she must be really strong.
Yeah, she must be really strong.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a nice entrance.
Mm-hmm.
Dragonoid. Destroyer?
Known as Destroyer.
Demon Lord! Milim Nava! Demon Lord! She's a Demon Lord!
Oh.
Milim! Oh wow, he can really... Dude, she must be really strong.
Yeah, if it's almost like Veldora's. Well, ambition-wise. She's just poking him.
My Milim eye? Whoa. Wow, so she can see through it. She can see how strong he is too, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't beat this one. What?
Oh, because she's young.
Oh, she's
Flat,
too young?
so she must be young, so she must be a prodigy.
He looks more boyish this time. I think it's his outfit.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh! That was fast.
whoa! Yeah, they're like, get out of here. No way, she blocked it with her hand.
Poor Ranga.
He just choked her. Oh, all the
They're
kittens
all
are here. Yep.
Yeah.
My God, they're just going all out on her.
Yeah, shouldn't you wait for Rimuru to
Say something.
die?
Whoa, she must be a really strong demon lord too.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! What?
Oh, whoa. Oh, wow. They're all beat up.
Oh my gosh, yes, Rimuru versus Mimine. I think she's a pretty crazy one too.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is gonna be so good.
Rimuru better win.
No, he will, he will. Wow, look at her art. Holy cow.
10 times stronger than Rimuru.
Whoa.
Oh, shoot. Predator?
No, he cannot penetrate her. There's no way. He's gonna get eaten up then.
We haven't seen this one yet, right?
Whoa, Rasengan? What is this?
He fed her something?
Did he just feed her?
Yeah, he put something in her mouth.
Yo, what? That's the only way to beat her?
So delicious.
Oh God, he's bribing her with food.
What the heck?
Honey! It was honey. Oh gosh, you're so smart.
What is so random?
Yes. He stuffed the honey in her mouth because he can't beat her.
I'll swear never to mess with you again.
Wow. He knew because she's a kid, so he's like, I can play with this one a little bit.
Smart. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So much for that. They're all like, what the heck? She's just hanging out.
Yeah. She doesn't. I don't think she knows demon lords are probably not that evil.
Yeah.
Or she's not the evil one though.
She probably grew up one.
Oh, okay. I see what it is. Okay. She's
definitely bored.
oh my gosh, she's gonna. That's why she's gonna stay. She's gonna stay here.
Oh, poor Rimuru.
Oh.
Screw that. You.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Wow. Reamer is the only one that can do this too, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
No.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Why would he say that? Stupid.
Oh. She's in a very good mood right now. Oh man.
He's making an excuse to run.
He changed his voice. Ocho-sama. She's gonna end up beating up everybody here.
Yeah. Rimuru's like a father to her right now. Yeah, be courteous or you're gonna get hit.
Beat up, yep. Oh, they know about her?
Mm.
She's decided to live here? Wait, she's gonna live here?
He's like, what?
Wait, just like that? Wait, what about...
He told her that his life isn't boring and she's bored.
Yeah!
Rather than friends,
We're besties! Oh my gosh.
his eyes.
She's such a troll,
Yeah,
dude.
you better be besties with her, Rimuru.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my gosh, it's so funny.
Is she swimming in honey?
I don't know it. What are those little
Oh,
little
little
Rimarus?
Oh, just a water.
Yeah.
That was funny because she swims in the water too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, how did they know about her? I want to know. Like, why is she so popular?
Yes.
That's gonna bring every demon lord here.
Yep. They share a role of governing. So they'll think that we're on the same side as all the other demon lords?
No, just the demon Milim. So what it does is messes up the balance.
Ah.
That's the problem.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Most powerful. That's why she's so popular.
She's one you want to avoid making an enemy with. So this is actually really good.
But the kid is the most powerful one?
Probably because she's born with those powers.
Prodigy.
Yeah, prodigy.
That's a queen princess, by the way.
Uh-huh.
Whoa! Slow motion. This is why I freaking love slime.
You want to make sure there's nothing?
No,
yeah.
This is exactly why I freaking love slime.